Welcome to Benalmadena. Today we're exploring some of the best spots this city has to offer, and we're starting at Castillo de Colomares. As soon as you see it, you feel like you've stepped onto the set of Pirates of the Caribbean. It literally looks like a giant pirate ship turned into a stone castle. But here is the crazy part. It's not actually a castle from the Middle Ages. It was built between 1987 and 1994 by a doctor and two local builders. They wanted to create a monument to tell the story of Christopher Columbus and his journey to America. The entry to Castillo is very cheap, around €3, and is probably the most beautiful place for photos in Benalmadena. Inside this castle you can find the smallest church in the whole world. It's even in the Guinness World Records. It's only about 2 square meters, so it's basically just enough for 1 or 2 people. Next, we're heading up. We took the cable car to the top of Mount Calamoro. The ride takes 15 minutes and the view from 800 meters is just wow. Keep in mind that tickets are cheaper if you buy them online. Benalmadena is an ideal beach destination of Spain's outer coast. Beaches stretch along the coastline for miles, scattered with parasols and loungers, chiringuitos, and refined restaurants.
Hi guys, this is the place where you can find a lot of restaurants and coffees. So let's see what Puerto de Marina has to offer. Come, let's see.
Finally, we have Puerto Marina, which was voted one of the best marinas in the world. It has a very cool design and is the perfect place for a walk, some shopping, or a nice dinner by the boats. What I love most is the energy of this place. You have the luxury boats on one side and lively terraces on the other. It's the kind of place where you just want to sit down, grab a coffee, and enjoy the Mediterranean lifestyle. Thank you for staying with us until the end. I hope you have enjoyed this short experience of Benalmadena. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye!